You'll find the headlight control switch on the left side of the instrument panel. It controls your headlights, parking lights, fog lights, instrument cluster brightness, and interior lighting. Rotate the switch to the first position to activate the parking lights. Rotate to the second position to activate the headlights. You'll find the instrument panel dimmer to the right of the headlight control switch. It adjusts the brightness of your instrument panel. If equipped, you'll find a second dimmer control just left of the instrument panel dimmer. This second dimmer controls ambient light levels inside the cabin. To activate the front fog lights, turn on the parking lights or the low beam headlights, or put the control in the auto position, and push in the headlight control switch. Push in the switch a second time to turn the fog lights off. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.